Hello everyone, it's Bill almost at the end of the year now, and we will still can't stop working. But we will slow down and summarize what we have achieved over the past year. First, I came to MSG Equipment. I was a geek who tells you everything on video. Oh, I wanted to say that at the end. But it's okay. Let's start again. In this difficult time for Ukraine, MSG Equipment was able to show that Ukrainian quality is worthy of international level. So, we entered new markets with our diagnostic equipment. We continue to develop assembly and improve our product, and from a large warehouse in Warsaw, our equipment is delivered to customers all over the world. MSG Equipment was present at an exhibition in different countries. Automech with partner Jinproc, Aero Trade Show in Seattle, Washington, Autotech Service in Kyiv, Automechanika Istanbul, Latin Auto Parts Expo with LAT Service, Rematech Amsterdam, Automechanika Mexico, Expo Poland, Apex Las Vegas, Automechanika Dubai. We plan to participate in another exhibition next year. We have exciting plans. We are planning to visit exhibition in Argentina, Mexico, Frankfurt, Las Vegas, in Kyiv, Shanghai, and together with our partners, we will present the equipment in Dubai, Greece, and Panama. Follow our updates on social media. Therefore, we are actively moving towards expanding our international sales and introducing the aftermarket industry to the high-quality equipment that Ukraine can produce. And yes, this year we became members of the two largest associations that guarantee the quality of our products. Join the APRA Europe Association and the America Auto Care Association. Oh, okay, let's go. Well, our training center is always on the ready. They definitely have enough work. The guys who manage to keep up everywhere. They launched the most necessary training course for our customers of the diagnostic of electric vehicle and hybrid batteries at our stand MS800. It has already been attended by our friends from Brazil who visit us in Kyiv.
Jinproc company, we are here in the Ukraine, Kyiv, visiting MSG company.
We have also released a new training course of the MS900 flushing system. Which, by the way, has undergone an update and has become more convenient to use and test. It now uses a two-way water supply for better flushing of particulate filters. But we have a video about this you can show on our YouTube channel. In general, our equipment department has done so much that I don't have time to write all. We've released an update for the Tesla car diagnostic tester Loki. We have released an important update for the MS561 Pro power steering tester. And at the same time, we have increased the number of special cables for APS diagnostics. The MS-005 starter and alternator diagnostic test bench has also been updated, so it is now able to diagnostic 48 volts alternators. We added a new cable to the update MS-016. By the way, the video is already on the YouTube channel, you can find the link in the description. In addition, we have a video about the operation MS-900, MS-800, MS-112 and all about the details of the company work. You can watch everything on our YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Working, I'm still working. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.